Welcome students. Let us begin chapter number 7 in EVS, Air Around Us. In this chapter, we are going to learn about properties of air, causes of air pollution, ways to reduce air pollution. So all these things we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay? Now let us begin. Air is all around us, but you cannot see it. You can only feel it. Yes, this is a very important thing for you all to know. Air is all around us. Everywhere there is air, but you cannot see it. You can only feel it. Now, here is a very small experiment which will tell you that you can only feel the air. Do and find out. Take a balloon and blow air into it. It becomes big. Now, keep its mouth open. Can you feel the air come out of the balloon? Yes or no? Now, here see, you need to take one balloon and you just blow the air into it and it will become very big. After that, you just loosen the mouth of the balloon and just feel the air coming out of the balloon. Okay? That will tell you that you can only feel the air. Okay? Yes. Can you see this air? No. No, we cannot see this air. Now, properties of air. Now, there are few properties of air. Here we are going to learn. The first property is air moves things. Now, what is the first property? Air moves things. When air moves, it is called wind. Yes, when the air moves, it is called wind. Here, see, no. When the wind blows gently, it is called a breeze. Wind can make things move. It can push sailboats, turn windmills, make clouds move, push the water in the seas, and cause waves. It can move the leaves and branches of a tree. It can also make your kite fly high up in the sky. So, the property of air is that air moves things. And what are the things it does? See, it can push sailboat. Here, sailboat means the same, the boat which you see sailing in the water. Okay, it moves, it pushes. Okay, then turn windmills, then make the cloud move. Even in the sky, the air helps to move it. Push the water in the seas and even cause waves. Waves means tarange, okay? So, all these things are done by the air. It can move the leaves, even the leaves and the branches of the tree. It is moved by the air. And it also make your kite fly high up in the sky. Even you might have seen people flying kite, no? During the winter season. Yeah, that the kite flies high up in the sky by the help of air. This shows that air moves things. Now, come to the next property. Air fills space. Okay, air fills space. Air can move into empty spaces and fill them however small or big they are. Take a glass. It looks empty because you cannot see anything in it. It is not empty. It has air inside it. Now, can you see the glass here? Now, this glass is empty. Nothing we can see inside it. No, nothing we can see. But actually it is not empty because air is inside it. Air fills space. Whatever space is there, whether it is big or small, it is filled with air. So, you cannot say that this glass is fully empty. It is empty. We cannot see the thing inside it because air is inside it. Okay. Now, we fill air into a cycle tire with a cycle pump. The tire gets inflated when it is filled with air. Now, you see, this tire is not filled with air. This tire is without air. Now, here we fill the tire with air. So, see the difference here? Can you see? Here, the tire is filled with air, so the air fills space. The space inside the tire, it is filled with air. So, it is big in shape. Okay? We can fill air into many other things like balloons, air pillows and mattresses. So we can fill air in all these things. Do and find out. Open the mouth of a plastic bag and wave or move it. When it gets filled with air, tie its mouth with string. Does it fill less space or more space? Now here, see now, this boy, he's carrying one plastic bag here without any air. And here this plastic bag is filled with air. Now see, it fills spacey, it is looking big, no? Why it is looking big? Because it is filled with air. So this shows that air fills space. Now the third property is air expands on heating. Yes, when you heat the air, it expands. Okay, expand means फैल जाना. When air is heated, it expands. Observe and understand. Here is a small experiment for you all to understand. A balloon is fixed to the mouth of a glass bottle. The bottle is kept in hot water. Air fills the balloon after some time. The balloon becomes big. Do you know why? This is because the air in the bottle expands and fills the balloon. Now see, a very small experiment for you all to understand here. Now this is the bottle. The bottle is filled with water and you have to put one balloon to the mouth of the glass bottle. Okay. Now this bottle you have to keep where? You have to keep it in hot water. Now after when you keep it in the hot water, the liquid inside the bottle, it will get what? It will get heated. And after that, the vapor will rise and the air inside the balloon will fill with what? Hot air. It will fill with hot air. And naturally, slowly, the balloon will expand. Okay. This shows that air expands on heating. Okay. Now the next one is air has weight. Air has weight. Okay. Like everything around us, air also has weight. Okay. Observe and understand. A football without any air in it is taken and weighed on a weighing scale. Now see, this experiment is very clear for you all to understand. See, air is pumped into the football with a cycle pump. Now it is again means it is weighed again. What do you observe? Does the football with air have more weight? Why? Yes, the football with air have more weight because it is filled with air and air has weight. Okay. So here when the football is not having any air inside it, it weighs less. And when the football is filled with air, it weighs more. So this experiment shows that air has weight. The next property is air has pressure. Okay, air has pressure. Do you know that air has pressure? It can push things and occupy space. It can push things and occupy space. Observe and understand. Now this experiment will make you understand. Some colored water is poured in a beaker. Can you see the beaker here? This is the beaker. Some colored water is poured in a beaker. A lighted candle is placed in the center. See, a lighted candle. A glass is kept over it with its mouth down. You see the colored water in the beaker moving up into the glass. This is because the air pushes the water up. Now see, this water is filled with what? Colored water, okay? And then you place one candle here and just cover this candle with a glass. Okay? Now what happened? After some time, what will you see? You will see that this colored water gets into the glass here from this side. It shows that the air pushes the water up. Okay? So air has pressure.